Hi, welcome to Formula. In this video, I'll show you how to automate property management requests using Google Forms and Formula. This workflow is perfect for property managers, landlords, and real estate teams who want a simple system to manage maintenance issues, tenant requests, and internal communication. Let's get started. First, you want to navigate to the Google Workspace Marketplace. Search for Form Mailer, email notification, and install. In my previous video, I showed you step by step how to do this. Next, you want to go to your Google Forms, select or create a new form. For this video, I already created one. You want to add the essential fields you would want your tenants or your team to fill into your Google Forms. Next, you want to click on add-ons. Your Form Mailer account is already linked to the email address you used to install the app. Now you want to insert the sender's name. For this video, I'm just going to use Property Pro. So this is the name that appears in your email whenever a tenant fills it or your team sees the mail. So this, you would want to use your property name for this, or a name that is familiar to your tenants and your team. Next, we're going to create our respondent's email and recipient's email. So you click on the email template, click on respondent. So this is what your tenants receive immediately after submitting the form. For this video, I already set out an email. In order for you to insert a field that they receive from the form whenever it is filled, all you have to do is insert field from form and click on what you would want them to receive and save changes. Next, you want to go to the recipient's email. This is what your internal team receives, so they can follow up. In that, you have to put in every detail that you would want them to see to follow up with the issues that the tenants sent. Same process, insert whatever field you would want them to also receive. Go to insert fields from form. So these are the fields that you already put out in your form, and save changes. Next, you want to go to your recipient details. These are your internal team details. You can add as much email as you'd like. Example. .com. Click enter. You can add in all your team members that you want receiving this email, either the maintenance team or the internal team. Any team member you want to receive this property maintenance and tenants request form. Now all you have to do is save changes, and your form mailer is all set up. Now let's test our form. We're going to fill in the fields. Click submit. Immediately a form is submitted, your recipient team receives an email immediately. And as you can see, the sender's name is titled Property Pro. So you have to input the name that you would want your team, and the form and the tenants who submit the form to also receive. Click and they would receive everything that they need to from the form to fix the issue. Your sender also receives a mail. Click and they also see what they must have filled in the form and telling them that they would be updated soon, or whatever information you want them to have when they fill their form. And that's it. You've successfully built a request form, a property maintenance request form, step by step, and this will help your team stay on board with every single maintenance issues that they need to fix or they need to look into. Form Mailer gives you 10 free emails, and to upgrade, all you have to do is click on add-ons, click on Form Mailer, manage your account. You can decide to upgrade to the Pro, which is $3 a month, and it gives you 15,000 emails and 24-hour support, or $30 a year, and it gives you 15,000 monthly emails, 16% discount, and 24 hours support. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, install Form Mailer, and let us know which tutorial you'd love to see next. Thank you.